Yo, what's up everybody, what's going on? Right, so you can see I'm on volatility 25 index, right, on a real account, a real life server. Right, so you can see I bought 0.7 right here. Right, my N over here, my S over there, then my TP is right over there. So how did I do it? Right, simple. Right, so you can see, right, I drew my levels as I always do all the time. I always identify my key levels of value before I actually start to trade. Right, so you can see all these zones of that I've drawn over here, they represent basic support and resistance, supply and demand. Right, so basically what happened right here, right, for me to enter, right, first of all, right, if I'm to actually bring my drawing to, right, so we can see that over here, right, at this level here, this is basically support. Right, you can see over there the market formed there a double bottom like that. You can see is a double bottom like that, then went up like that. Right, so basically this level over here, right, this entire level, right, it's a what, is a this neckline of this double bottom. Right, at the same time it is, if you look at this level right here, it was a previous level of resistance which has been broken. The market has traded above it, so now it has turned into support. You can see the market came down here to test it at this level of broken resistance and support, so it has been confirmed as a support. Right, so what's next, right, is this. Right, so if I'm to go down to my M30 time frame, right, how do we see it? Right, you can see as the market was testing, right, at this broken resistance which has been turned support, and also at this neckline over here, right, we can see it was forming a flag pattern. You can see there's a flag pattern over here. Right, so basically a flag pattern, it is a continuation pattern, right, of the previous move. In our previous move we can see the double bottom is a what, it's a bullish move. Right, so basically a flag pattern is a continuous, or it is a continuation of the previous move. In this case it is a bullish move, so we expect, if we see this pattern, we expect to continue the uptrend. Right, so the market is already bullish like that. Right, so how did I actually enter? Right, if I'm to zoom in like this, so we can see the market, right, it's been in a consolidation like this. It's been hitting against the roof of this channel, then hitting against the floor. Right, it's been bouncing like that, like this. You can see it's been bouncing like that. Right, came here, sort of like tried to break below, then got rejected by this candle right here, then came here, started to try to trade above it. Then you can see the long wick. Right, we can see this long wick over here, it's a sign of rejection. Then it came and consolidated around the upper boundary of this upper trend line. Right, so what do we see? You can see over here market tried to break above. Right, so what happened next? We can see the market then try to break above this upper channel, right, of this upper trend line of this channel, right, with this bullish candle, strong bullish candle. And what do we see? Right, we can see from there that the market is not actually invalidated this bullish move over here. It just went up, then came to retest on this trend line over here, right, before it can actually go to the upside like that. So currently we can see that we're maybe trying to test on this trend line, right, actually before we move to the upside. Right, so I'm just going to be waiting patiently and see how things are gonna turn out. Right, and also, so for my SL, right, you can see I placed my SL just below this level over here, just below this broken resistance and support. I just placed my SL just below this support area over there. Right, and then my take profit, if I'm to zoom out, right, and remove my drawings, right, how did I place my take profit? Simple. Right, so you can see if I go to the H1 time frame, we can see, right, over here this is another level of support and resistance over here. Right, and also over here we've got supply. Right, we've got supply area over here. Right, so basically I just placed my TP just below this supply area over here, so that I don't miss my TP in case the sellers step in before the market reaches this supply area. I'm already out with my profits. Right, so basically that's how I entered on this particular trade. So what I'm just going to do right now is just to wait. Right, I'm just going to wait. As you can see, it's a live account, a real server, real money in real life. Right, so we're believing to bank this bag, or believing to bank this money, right, and secure this bag. So let's see how things are going to turn out. Yo, peep this. Right, so we're currently here, right? So if we manage to break above this previous high over here, this level over here, right, then we'll be actually coming to this level over here, close to a TP, right, and where we have got our supply over here, right? So just waiting for the market, right? If we break above this level, then it's a banger, then we'll be going to the upside like that, right? So you can see the market is taking a lot of time consolidating this one right here, right? But we believe, right, once we break above this level over here, above this high over here, then we'll be heading towards the upside, right? So let's see how things are going to turn out. Yo, peep this, right? So we can see the market broke above this level over here. We can see it was retracing and consolidating near this level over here, right? And you can see with this one strong power move, right, the market went up, right, and hit my profit target and then reversed, right, and then came again and came to the same level over here where there is a supply area, and then we can see from there the market has dropped to the downside like that. So we can see this was actually indeed a strong supply area. So this happened whilst I was asleep, right? I could have recorded whilst the market was hitting my profit target, but of course it was now late my side. Then I had to go to bed, and then I woke up in profit, right? So this is it for this video, guys. That's how I traded this particular market, right? This particular setup like that, right? So Black Diamond right here signing out. Peace.